Yeah, this song goes out to all y'all people out there that are struggling with suicidal intentions, man. Song is called Numb by Skinny Bones. Yo, so I'm growing numb to all the pain that comes from my constant misery. Sick and tired of my family always belittling me. They always judging me, constantly depressing me, always calling me a fuck up. Mama nothing but a kiss up, always kissing daddy's ass, cause they never give me a fucking pass. Always bringing up the motherfucking past. So what I screwed up every opportunity in my path. Now I feel the wrath of my truly satanic rap. I chop off Jesus' head and drop it in your lap. God kiss my fucking ass. All hail Satan, I'll be waiting at hell's gates with a pitchfork and a blunt, cause your God will abandon you, and I'll be the one to torture you. Cause loose ball is the true morning star, the anatomy of true love and light. Yeah. Yo, I've gone numb to all this pain. All this pain in my life that is driving me insane. Numb to the pain inside my heart, broken hearted boy. All this numbness is driving me insane. Yo, meth in my vein, try to tame the beast in my head, but it can't be contained. Insanity leading me to the brink of death. Vampire teeth sinking into my flesh. Grandpa bitching, but I could give a fuck less. Yo, I know my life is a mess. Best not even fix it, why even risk it? So dope, sick my stomach gets twisted. Wicked withdrawal, use a bottle of Jack and it'll fix it all. But I came too far, my blood's in the tar. Heroin for veins, methamphetamine for brains. Every day it's the same damn thing. Depression rains down on my chest like hell. Everything I do seems to fucking fail. Used to be a pastor, but I never tell. Hell, I think I just did. I'm going numb to all this pain. It's driving me insane. I can't take it anymore. All this pain inside my heart, driving me insane. This pain is leading me to the brink of insanity. Yo, there's so much pain in my soul, my life is worthless. It's a cold out here, I feel like I'm standing in the blizzard shirtless. I feel complete sadness, there's too much time to say fuck this, it's just so pointless. But the snitch becomes blameless, the convict gets conned, and the trauma gets condoned. I'm so alone, and I'm disowned by my own mama. She don't wanna mess with me, my baby mama refuses to see me. It just really sucks to be me. It seems all they wanna do is test and try me. This punk ass bitch ways completely grimy. All this emotional damage beginning to tie me down. This depression is too much, it's so pointless. No point of going on. Maybe one day they'll be sorry. Too bad, I'll be dead and gone, I'm going numb to all this pain. It's driving me insane, leading me to the brink of insanity. Every day I wake up alone in this apartment. All I wanna do is cry. All I wanna do is cry. All I wanna do is cry. Emo shit, that's how I spit these lines. Razor blades, pill bottles, long booze-filled nights. Yeah, that's right, there's absolutely no peace in sight, cause all I do is cry.